Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the SIM in and signal showing, so start now by dialing *8# from the Zong slot. Once dialed, the network authenticates your SIM and requests your number record. That's why you don't need airtime. Make sure you use the same SIM tray and wait calmly. Responses usually arrive in less than half a minute. If you see a prompt, follow the short on-screen instruction. This is the fastest way to request your own Zong number directly from the operator. Once the UST reply appears, scan it for the full mobile number or sometimes just the last few digits. If a small menu appears, select the option that says My Number or Number Info. Pressing the indicated digit sends the request and returns the value. Make sure to note the +92 prefix for Pakistan if you'll use it outside the country, and copy the number exactly as shown. If it arrives via SMS, open the message to confirm there are no typos or formatting changes. After you get the number, save it into contacts and label it so you don't repeat these steps. If nothing returns, restart your phone and try *8# again. Sometimes the network link needs a reboot. Also check settings SIM status to confirm the operator shows Zong and that the SIM is active. If those steps fail, contact Zong support or visit a service center because the SIM may be inactive or blocked. This single troubleshooting tip, restart then check SIM status, fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.